Hi, I'm Donald McIntyre, Operations Manager at Emerald. This is the Emerald Blockchain course, Class 7, What are Smart Contracts? When we use apps in computers or phones, those are software programs that we have installed in our phones or computers. When we interact with websites from tech companies and banks, those are centralized and controlled by them. They can be in their own servers, in cloud services, etc. And they can shut them down whenever they want or censor them, or they can be asked by the government to censor them or censor users and stuff like that. Smart contracts are software programs also, but when developers send them to the blockchain, they become decentralized. Just like when you send a transaction to the blockchain, it is replicated in all the computers around the world. A blockchain may have thousands of computers participating in the network, and transactions are replicated 100% in all the computers. They all have the same copy everywhere. The same thing happens with smart contracts. When a developer wants to create a decentralized application and the developer sends the smart contract to the blockchain, that software code is replicated in all the machines of the network all around the world. Because they power applications, we call them dApps. dApps is basically short for decentralized application. So we call the apps that we use on our computers and phones apps because it's just a short for applications. So dApps is decentralized applications. They can be decentralized exchanges, NFTs, stable coins, or any kind of dApp. When we use stable coins or Uniswap, or we buy NFTs and transfer them, those are decentralized applications, dApps. I'm going to explain more about dApps in the next class. Because they are inside a blockchain, they are permissionless, uncensorable, and immutable. As I explained before, when we use banks or websites of big tech companies, they are centralized. They can shut them down whenever they want. They're controlled by the management, or they can be hacked, or the government can order them to shut them down if there's something they don't like, or they can censor them, or they can censor individual users. It has happened many times around the world in many nations. But a blockchain is meant to be permissionless. This means that anybody can use it as long as you have internet connection. So there's no need for permission or somebody telling you whether you can use it or not. And therefore, dApps are also permissionless, uncensorable, because once an application or decentralized application is inside the blockchain, it's impossible to censor it. And immutable is because it's impossible to intervene in the code. Once a smart contract is inside the blockchain, it's going to live there forever, and whoever sends a transaction to that smart contract or uses that dApp is going to know that it's going to be there and immutable, unchangeable. Emerald supports two smart contracts blockchain, Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. And very likely we're going to add support for more smart contracts blockchains, the one that become very popular in the future. Thank you very much for watching this video, Emerald Blockchain course, Class 7, What are smart contracts? And please remember to download Emerald at emerald.cash/download. Thank you very much.